I've been lucky enough now to be in hypergrowth mode for the last 15 years. So my time with Salesforce, when I was in Microsoft, we were growing at scale, and my journey at Splunk's been similar in terms of that, consistently growing at 60-70% in the region. And as you're trying to scale a business with that hyperscale growth, you need a platform that is architected to give you the flexibility. And I really, what we're trying to do is unique, right? Nobody's ever done this in the data space in Splunk. When we did it at Salesforce, nobody had ever done it at CRM and in the cloud. There's not a lot of playbooks for us here. And so we have to be able to have a platform that has the architectural flexibility to be able to meet what we need to do, right? We're launching new products, we're trying different things, we're rolling out different views. I'm trying to align different sets of incentives for teams. We're looking at trying different spiffs. Well, how do I capture all of that? I think Aviso particularly gives us a platform that allows you to have that flexibility to meet your business growth needs, compared to the ones that have, if you look at trying to build that in your CRM hierarchies or in the other tools that read off the CRM hierarchies, it becomes like an inhibitor to your business. And if you can't innovate in the way that you go to market and the way you approach, absolutely the product innovation is critical, but bringing that product to market and helping customers understand values and bringing the right resources and then helping to align the incentives you put on those resources around the activities you want to drive. If you can't do that because you're constrained by your CRM, that's not going to help you grow. And I think that's really where, for me, the flexibility of the architecture of the Aviso platform, and then also having that time series, so I can do that analysis and actually as a sales manager, my frontline sales managers can sit down and deconstruct their pipeline and how it's progressed over a period of a quarter, and then start to use that to feed into the coaching conversations they're having, feed it into the intelligence around things like the pipeline activity they need to generate and what that needs to look like. That piece of I guess architecture and flexibility is critical to success, and I think that's something that I've always valued greatly from the Aviso platform.